In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a hosting or domain to Vercel. First, you want to open up your Vercel project. Now, from the top, you will see an option for domains. Click on domains. And right here, we will select add existing. Now, you want to go into Hostinger, go to domains, find the domain which you want to connect, and just copy it. So I'm going to right click, copy, paste it right here, and then I'm just going to remove this extra space, and you will choose an environment. You can do production preview, so I'm just going to leave it as production and click on save. Once you have added this, then it should show you this, that it's not completely configured. So what we're going to do is click on this to expand it, the version with www in front of it. And now we will go into Hostinger. Then we want to click on manage, and then DNS/server addresses or DNS name servers, and we will add these records. So the type is going to be CNAME, then the name is going to be www, and here you will see the value. So you can just copy this value, paste it, and click on add record. Now it's not letting me add it because I already have this one. So here I should be able to add it now. Okay, I just did it. And now we can proceed to the second one, which is going to be doing the same thing. This time it's going to be an A record. So it's going to be A at and points to. You will copy this value, paste it, add record. And now if you already have one, of course, you will need to remove it. So I'm just going to remove the one that I have. I'm going to add record. And now, as you can see, we have successfully connected our domains here, and it should take some time to validate, and it should tell you no deployment. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.